If you are a student, business owner, researcher, or a working professional, you are probably using only 10% of Google Notebook LM. That's why it still feels like a normal AI tool. Let me show you the part that actually makes it powerful. Now, if you are a student, instead of reading full chapters again and again, just simply upload your notes, your 500 pages PDF or lecture video. Then ask Notebook LM, explain me this in simple words or give me important points. Now you understand things much more faster. You can also create flashcards and quizzes out of it. You can make interactive learning and learning simpler from this. So revision becomes easier as well. So if you are a working professional, after meetings, feel quite bored to create deadlines and tasks. So simply upload your meeting notes or transcript and ask what are my next steps or what are my tasks, what are my deadlines. It will simply create you tasks and deadlines. No confusion, just clear works handled in just simple few minutes. Now, if you are preparing for a job, just simply upload your resume, job description and preparation material if you have any and ask what questions can be asked to me, how should I answer those questions. Now you are properly prepared, you are not just guessing what questions can be asked to you. If you are a business owner, upload your business ideas, your proposals, your vendor contract, investment options and any other documents that you want to work on. Now ask to compare and suggest the best options. You get clear comparisons, pros and cons, so decision becomes faster and smarter. You can also create reports, PPTs, business explainers and infographics out of it. This is the most underrated tool by business owners. Do explore it. Now if you are into tech, instead of struggling with long documentations, simply upload your docs, guides, tutorials, and you can ask, explain me this in simple words or what mistakes should I avoid. You understand your code faster without getting lost. You can also create mind maps and understand things better. Now if you're a content creator or if you create content, just upload your researches, PDF, long videos, ask it to summarize or turn this into a post or a podcast. One input becomes multiple content pieces. You can also convert it into an audio and listen it anytime. If you deal with legal or financial documents, upload your contracts, your reports, your policies, and then ask, give me a key points or highlight any risk. You save hours of your reading. Most people will try this once and then stop. But if your work depends on learning, documents, and decisions, this becomes your daily system. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.